Hey guys, welcome back to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a vintage recipe of my grandmother's. It is a cinnamon raisin. She called it a cake. It's more of a bread to me. I remember eating this as a child, and I remember the house smelling absolutely amazing. And to get more in touch with my homemaking journey and what inspires me, I want to start featuring more vintage recipes and dishes when I do share cooking with you guys, and I hope it inspires you. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new, and I will be back next week with a big declutter clean with me, and it'll be a ton of motivation, and I will be sharing when I remember the anxiety just hitting me like a ton of bricks and when it all started. So I hope you guys will join me for that. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I'm trying to upload on Fridays instead of Saturdays. The Saturday videos haven't done all that great. So, you know, with YouTube, you just never know. So I'm going to try Friday. That's why this video is up today. And I will see you guys on Wednesday at 10 a.m. next week. Have a fabulous weekend. And as always, much love. Bye.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold